Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HAIQAL IDRIS. I will explain about activity order XML, activity checkout activity.java and order activity.java. So the first one is checkout activity.java. The first of all, we need to import all the classes here to link our Firebase into our coding. So we create two private class, which is text view and private button. The private button divided by two usage, button on and button off. So this is our class for void on create. So there is four, which is text view integer value, text view LED1 value, button on and button off. So this is for button on and button off. Button on is for order and the other one is button off is cancel. So if the customer click on the button on, which is order, uh, the LED one will set the value into 1, and if the customer click into button off, which is cancel, the LED one will turn into value 0. So the next one is order activity.java. So we build class on create for order, and we put the spinner function in it, and this is for public void on radio button click. This is for delivery method. For customer, we make it three different option, which is same day messenger service, or the customer can click the next day ground delivery, or the last one they can choose pickup options. So display this is for the previous coding. It will display those on the bottom of the apps. So this is for on item selected, and the last one is on click for the previous one. So the last one is activity order.sml. So this is our layout for activity order.sml. So the first one is text view for order detail, the top of the screen. So this two is for the name. This one is the left side, and this for the customer to input their name. So same as this, the address, phone number, and we add the additional note for customer to note our cinema, and this one is for notes also. Okay, so this one is for choose delivery method. So we use, as I mentioned before, we use radio button, radio group. We create three different option, which is same day service, next day ground delivery, and pickup. So the customer can choose which one they want, they are suitable. So this is for the spinner. So for this part, when the customer enter their phone, the customer will willingly to choose their how the phone number will be described, which is they can choose home, work, mobile, or others. So the last one is for button. So the last one is for checkout button. So if the customer click the checkout button, it will be direct to the checkout layout page. Okay, that's all for our group. Thank you.
Wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Hairi bin Johari from S1G2. Would like to present about an explanation about the coding LAB6. So here this is main activity.java. So first of all, we want to explain about the function number one, public void on click. So the function is for click the image, such as we want to order Fast and Furious 10, and then we click the image. So the function is for the on click. So for number 2, public void display tools. So after we click image on the such as fast and furious 10, so it will display the tools. So number 3 is public void show fast order. So after we click, it will display the tools. So we go to the string.z.sml. So uh, for I explained just now. So if we click the image for the Fast and Furious 10, it will display your order ticket for Fast and Furious 10. So if we click Police Evo 3, it will display your order ticket for Police Evo 3. And then for we click Anwar Untold Story, so it will display your order ticket for Anwar Untold Story. So lastly, for the Transformer, it will show your order ticket for Transformer. Okay, next we go to the activity checkout.sml. So the firstly is for checkout. So it will display like that, checkout on the top. So for the movie, it will display movie. Okay, so for the next text view, is order. So for the next text view is for the name of the movie after we click on the system. So if we click Fast and Furious 10, it will display here Fast and Furious 10. Okay, so next is for the LED one. If we click first the movie, so LED one is will turn on, or it we change to the number 1. So there is the button. We have two button order and button cancel. So for the button order, if we click button order, LED one will be light up or change to the number 1. If we click cancel, button cancel is the LED one if we turn off, and then it will change to the 0. So that was for me. Thank you.